Zilliqa Holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again I'm talking about the Zilliqa. You know what, my friends, in this time a lot of people ask me questions about Zilliqa, that what should we do in this critical situation. Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold Zilliqa, my friends? So in this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video for more details, and please my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. At this time the latest price of the Zilliqa in the market is 0.10674 USD dollar. That is the latest price after Zilliqa. On the other side, if we look the price changes after Zilliqa, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day, last 1 weekend price change occurring to Zilliqa is negative, my friends. Only the last 1 hour price change is positive, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Zilliqa. Oh my god, it's my friends, in this time, in the last 1 hour, in the last 60 minutes, the Zilliqa start a good jump. I really love this kind of jumps, my friends. So my friends, that's mean that Zilliqa start pumping, and this is just the beginning, my friends. The huge pump is coming soon, so wait for it. And you know what, my friends, what is my recommendation for all of you? My recommendation for all of you is that it's time to hold, because now the huge pump is coming soon, so please wait for it and enjoy this big pump, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching.